you've used the Samsung Gear VR before. So if you put that on, you almost don't even need the remote. You'll see. It's kind of
Let's see. Okay, here goes. See if I can get it around my glasses. I'll try.
Is it working?
Oh yeah. Jeff, I'm in.
What are you seeing?
I'm walking around. I'm trying to figure out what the space is. It's very nice.
So, we're different demos so you can actually see how it works.
And it just works.
It's really snappy, right?
Yeah.
How's the image quality?
Yeah, the image quality is excellent. There's no latency in it. I'm curious if I'm on the roof here. Oh my gosh. I got to be a little careful because I'm going to fall off the roof. Let's see. View tour floor plan. Okay, great. Oh, I love that. That's excellent. So I just selected the view the floor plan, and once I went to the floor plan, I could now jump to exactly where I wanted to go. There literally is no latency in this experience. Yeah,
isn't it great?
Is awesome. Yeah, let's see.
We have Kirk Stromberg behind you watching you test this out.
Yeah, let's see. Look here.
Kirk,
Look
what
here to the menu.
what resolution of the tiles and everything being used in the VR experience?
Oh, I don't know off the top of my head. I would have to go check. Sorry.
Okay, it was pretty high resolution looking.
Yeah, I
though,
mean, it's
through that.
looking pretty good.
It was
Yeah.
sharp.
Yeah.
So what would I do with the controller? What would
Let
that?
me hand that to you, Dan.
What would that enable me to do?
You can exit to the menu right now, but I'm not sure it's enabled in the experience yet.
Yeah. Will this work on all Matterport spaces? It should. So I'm pressing the big button, but that's not doing anything for me. I'm pressing the other button. Probably not doing.
Dan, you hold that out. Yeah, I don't think it's enabled yet for this.
I don't think it's enabled, but you actually don't need it. It's super easy to walk around the space, and I don't even think there's any training required. You just put this on, you're off. You're off to the races. That's really exciting.
Yeah.